Suara Gracia FM, the sound of life. God's way is perfect. Shalom, good evening keluarga Gracia. Meet me again with Audrey in English Time program on Monday, 24th of November, 2025. Okay, how are you keluarga Gracia? It's already the last week of this month, but although we will enter to the last month of this year, but we will talk about the new trending verse today, of course. But before that, let's say hi to Miss Dwita. Hi, Miss Dwita, how are you?
Hi, Miss Audrey, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so how's your weekend?
Wow.
I think you just got here.
Yeah, I just arrived 2 hours ago in Cirebon. Yeah. But I manage my time, Miss Audrey.
Okay,
That is the most important thing.
Yeah.
That we can manage our time properly.
Yes.
Okay. So everyone got happy, and then. Well, the week passed so quickly, Miss Audrey.
Yeah.
So last week I went to two cities actually. Last Friday I went to Jatinangor to pick up my daughter, and you know what? Along the way for 40 kilometers, it was a very hard rain.
Yeah.
I couldn't see very far because it was very, very, very hard, like cats and dogs. And it was for 40 kilometers. It was very far away with that kind of rain. And then after Jatinangor, I picked up my daughter, and then we went straight to Jakarta. And because it was almost weekend, the Friday evening, so the toll road was quite crowded.
Yeah.
So it took me more than 3 hours to arrive in Jakarta, but that's okay. And then last weekend on Saturday, I met my elementary school friends.
Wow.
Elementary, you know elementary.
It's already how many years?
Like your students. It was so we graduated 46 years ago.
Wow, okay.
Well, I'm old. So we graduated 46 years ago. Some of them that it was the last time we met 46 years ago, and but some of them we went to junior school together, and part of them went to the high school together with me. And even some of them went to the college together with me. So ada teman yang dari SD sampai kuliah bareng. Ada yang hanya di SD saja. So it was wonderful time, Miss Audrey, because apa namanya ya, kayaknya lucu banget gitu ya. And
teman SD loh, bukan SD. SMA loh.
And we showed our picture from our certificate. Foto dari ijazah tuh, kita foto masing-masing kasih lihat gitu ya. Ih, lucu banget dan beda sekali. Very different.
Yeah, of course.
So I think you can tell your students later to make very good picture for the certificate.
For the certificate.
So later, maybe 40 years later, they can see the difference. So I was quite similar, they said. Nggak jauh beda karena udah pakai kacamata waktu itu ya. So some of them were very different. So we spent 6 hours together in one restaurant.
Wow.
6 hours.
6 hours. It's like catch up 46 years.
46 years. We took so many pictures, and then so many stories to tell about the family, about our own jobs, and finally there were only ladies.
Wow, okay.
Nggak ada cowok-cowoknya nih.
Nggak ada cowok-cowoknya.
Tapi di grup cowoknya tuh ramai gitu ya.
Okay.
Begitu harus kopi darat nggak ada yang muncul.
Nggak ada yang muncul.
Lucu banget. Gitu. Terus and then after we separated from our friends, some of them the close ones, we went to another coffee shop, and we spent another 2 hours together until the mall closed.
Wow.
Sampai lantainya dipel.
Wow, okay.
It
means like please go, please go.
Yeah, something like that. So it was that, and then on Sunday we went to church as usual in Jakarta, and then after that we had lunch actually. And my daughter surprised us to make the celebration for the birthday of my husband.
Okay.
So it was very, very funny in that restaurant, to celebrate that. We had a good time together, and then today I went somewhere to check my body again for the second opinion in another hospital in Jakarta, and everything is okay with me, so I'm very glad. And then I came back, and then I just arrived, Miss Audrey, 2 hours ago.
Okay.
And then printed this this script, and then I came here. And I forgot something to bring something for you, so I will give it to you later.
Okay.
So that is about my weekend. So overall, I had wonderful weekend.
Yeah, for sure. Because I think I saw the birthday party
Video.
in your story, I think.
Yeah. So it was funny, So many friends commented it was very funny. Well, so I said that happiness is what we make it.
Yeah.
Kalau celebratingnya hanya nyanyi-nyanyi aja nggak lucu ya.
Nggak lucu. Udah biasa banget ya kalau itu.
Luckily there is a tambourine. Tambourine, right? The
Yeah,
tambourine. Tambourine. So I played the tambourine, and then the others, my kids were singing, and my other daughter, she made the video, and then my husband said, saya sudah gede. Actually, he kept saying that.
Oh, he kept saying that?
Iya, tapi karena rame jadi nggak kedengeran.
Iya.
Udah gede.
Justru udah gede.
It's very funny, because you know what? His birthdays were never celebrated.
Okay.
Since he was born, I think. Yeah?
So it's like awkward for him, I think.
Yeah, awkward.
Yeah.
The things like that. It was the first time for him to have the celebration in the restaurant
okay.
like that.
Whose idea is that?
My second daughter.
Okay.
So since he got married with me, so it was the first time that I brought the birthday cake on his birthday. So he kept saying every year, no need, something like, karena nggak pernah dirayain.
Iya, nggak biasa ya.
Dari kecil. Sementara saya dari keluarga yang selalu merayakan. Semuanya gitu ya, setiap tahun gitu. Jadi so this is let's make our tradition for our family like this. So everybody was very happy. It's funny. And you know what? this afternoon on the train, when I was waiting for my train to leave, and then my husband called, wait outside because my train will pass your train.
Wow, okay.
In the station.
Okay.
So he was using the commuter line. Kereta yang di dalam kota gitu ya. I never expected that the train will stop in Gambir.
Okay.
So I ran out of my coach keluar dari gerbong lari, and then saya kejar di mana dia gitu, and then I made the video. Oh my goodness, it's very epic. I think I found my husband in that train, inside the train, and I was outside.
It's like in a movie, Miss.
It was like in the movie, and my youngest daughter said it was like in the comic, in the Japanese comic.
Yeah.
Like oh really? So it was very funny, very funny for me. Kok bisa ya gitu? Kok bisa gitu? So in the past, Miss Audrey, kalau saya naik kereta dari Gambir, his office was in front of Gambir Station, on the 17th floor. I always said I'm already in the train station. At that time, I always said like that. And then he said, okay, look up. Lihat ke atas gitu ya. And then he would make a photo of us down there in the station dari lantai 17. Oh my God. So I think this afternoon he tried to match the time, because I said, well, my train is still 1 more hour, masih 1 jam lagi keretanya. I think he rushedly went to the station, and then he tried to count the time when kira-kira sampai Gambir jam berapa ini kereta.
Bener-bener just like in movie.
Like in movie. But I don't know whether he made it or it was an accident. I didn't know. But anyway, I was very excited to make a video, and yang penting harus dada-dada.
Yeah.
It's very funny.
And you saw him?
Yeah, I saw him.
Oh my God.
And then when his train
and he saw you?
Yeah, when his train stopped,
Uh-uh.
and then I was already outside of my train.
Ah,
Karena
oke.
lari ke ini, mundur dikit. Dia bilang itu, dia telepon.
Oh,
Mundur dikit, kejauhan jalannya kamu, dia bilang. Itu pas udah gitu, okay, stop and then look at me. Dia bilang.
oh my God.
So dia ada di dalam kereta karena nggak terbuka pintunya,
Iya,
kan nggak
iya,
boleh
iya.
terbuka
Iya.
itu. Jadi dia di pintu gini-gini aja. Dadah.
Oh, okay.
It's very cute.
Movie. It's
Yeah.
just like
Yeah,
a
and I was very surprised, you know. It's very cute and very epic, I think. I will not have it for a second time, I guess. So that is that, Miss Audrey.
Yeah, wow. Okay, Keluarga Gracia. That was a really fun weekend and also epic weekend.
Epic weekend, yeah.
Which is just like in the movie,
Yeah, like in the
Keluarga
movie.
Gracia. Have you ever been there just like that? Ada yang pernah nggak ngalamin seperti itu?
Yeah, so I wrote in my WhatsApp story, ada nggak sih yang norak kayak saya gitu ya, lari-lari keluar gerbang hanya untuk dada-dada ke soulmate-nya
Dan
gitu.
kebetulan itu kereta memang belum jalan ya, Miss. Keretanya
Jadi,
Miss Dwita tuh memang belum jalan.
3 more minutes. Jadi udah
Oh my God,
tinggal-tinggal.
Miss Dwita.
Jadi ini naik yang mana nih ya, naik yang
Iya,
mana
iya,
gitu ya, naik gerbong yang, kan saya di gerbong terakhir, gerbong
Iya.
8 kan jauh di
Iya,
belakang.
iya.
Sementara di situ tuh gerbong 4 gitu.
Mm-mm.
Ya udahlah pokoknya selama
penting
pintu belum tertutup nanti pokoknya yang penting dada-dada
Iya.
dan bikin video.
Oh my God.
It's very epic beneran.
See, Keluarga Gracia, you can just having fun with anything.
Yeah, that's right.
Because happiness is our choice,
Yeah,
actually.
that's right.
Yeah.
That's right, Miss Audrey.
So jadi kalau yang misalkan bangun pagi, wake up in the morning, and then feeling bad mood, it's actually a choice for us.
Yeah.
How to manage our day.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
Jadi mau nanggepinnya gimana? Mau bete terus? Atau kamu mau mengubah hari itu menjadi hari yang indah, hari yang
Yeah.
membahagiakan
Yeah,
gitu.
that's right, Miss Audrey. And
Yeah.
also, you know, actually one more story, Miss Audrey. Last Friday, I don't know whether there was a bad day or not, but
Okay.
it was a very bad day.
Oke.
But I will tell later in the Instagram how it was, how it happened. But luckily, ketika ada 3 kejadian, I met your mother on that day.
Okay.
Yeah, at school because I went to Taman Tuhan.
Oh,
ya.
okay. Yeah.
And then after that when saya mundurin mobil, tiba-tiba kap mobilnya rupanya nyangkut di trotoar jadi kebuka.
Oh.
I need the lakban. So I went to school and I
Okay.
met your mother. So I borrowed the lakban and then etc. After that I dropped my cousin and in the station and then I went home. So I stayed calm at home and then I pondered, merenung ya. Apa sih yang saya sudah bikin dari pagi gitu
Iya,
ya?
iya.
Oh ternyata emang ada kesalahan di pagi hari itu gitu ya. Karena I had an argumentation yang nggak perlu gitu.
Oke.
Mestinya bukan argumentasi ya
Iya,
pagi-pagi
iya, iya.
ya. Berdoa sih berdoa, tapi kemudian kayaknya for God it is not enough.
Oke.
I think he needed me to open the Bible, etc., not the argumentation. Not the argument, I mean.
Yeah.
So, well, okay, and then tapi ternyata setelah itu masih ada lagi until Jatinangor. But that's okay because I'm here now.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is about the choice, Miss Audrey.
Yeah, it's actually the choice how we manage, how we open our day.
Yeah, that's
actually
right,
ya.
that's right.
Kan memang kan sometimes kan kita bangun tuh dalam keadaan bad mood gitu loh ya.
Yeah.
Entah kenapa gitu, bisa aja dalam keadaan bad mood. Terus nanti kalau kita choose the bad one, and then kita akan memandang semuanya tuh salah.
Betul.
Ya kan,
For
semua
the
yang
rest of
terjadi
the
tuh
day,
iya for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Kita menghadapin orang lain siapapun yang mungkin mereka sebenarnya berbuat yang baik di pandangan kita tuh salah
Yeah,
gitu.
that's right.
But if we choose a good day, so kita bisa change all the bad to be a good one.
Yeah, even though it is written that hari-hari itu jahat gitu ada
Iya,
ya, tertulis
ada
memang
aja
ya.
gitu.
Tapi it is our choice.
Iya. bagaimana how to choose a happiness.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
How about your weekend?
My weekend, I didn't go anywhere actually, Miss. So it's really fun to hear your story. Yeah, because for me it's just a weekend. Usually, if I didn't go anywhere or I didn't do anything, and then that's like my rest day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but on Sunday actually, I went somewhere because I have my friend asked me to join her event.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
she made an event for kids competition. So I joined her. Start in the morning until evening, almost evening. Yeah, so that's Sunday. And after that, I just told her that, oh my God, tomorrow is Monday.
Monday. So that's why there is a song ya. Tell me why I don't like Monday. Ada tuh lagu seperti itu tuh ya.
Iya. Tapi terkadang berapa lama pun kita punya hari libur, hari istirahat, tetap kayaknya ketika kita mau mulai lagi, udah mulai lagi gitu.
Yeah, for me also, oh Monday another script, another trending. What is that?
Yeah.
It is always like that. But I don't know Miss Audrey, selalu ada aja.
Selalu ada aja ya.
Selalu ada aja. Dikasih itu ya script ini ya gitu.
Iya, iya.
So praise the Lord.
Yeah.
for that.
Okay, keluarga Gracia, that's all about our weekend. But before we continue, let's hear some songs and some advertisements. We'll be right back.
Okay, so last Wednesday, Miss Audrey,
Okay.
I went to a movie, and then my friend he treated me to watch the movie
Okay.
in the premium theater.
Wow.
Ditraktir nih, so thank you Esther. Okay, so it was a musical film actually,
Okay,
yeah, and it is very trending around the globe. Di seluruh
okay.
dunia ini sedang trending film ini. So why don't we talk about it, and then later in the session 3 we are going to talk about some vocabularies about
Okay.
that.
Yeah.
Okay, so the title is it is about the movie talk about friendship and acceptance in Wicked for Good. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we are totally wicked.
Yeah.
So hello everyone, welcome back to English Time on Radio Suara Gracia 95.9 FM Cirebon.
Tonight's topic is magical, musical, and definitely trending. We're talking about Wicked for Good.
Okay. So let me introduce you to the film. This movie is the sequel to Wicked from last year, and it actually adapts Act 2 of the Broadway musical written by Stephen Schwartz and Winnie Holzman.
And here's something interesting. It's also a remaining of The Wonderful Wizard of Oz, the classic novel that inspired the world of Oz.
So even if we think we know the story of Oz, Wicked always surprises us with a new perspective and deeper meanings.
You watched it already. How did the movie begin for you? What was the first impressions in a cinema?
Okay, from the beginning, I could feel the sweetness of the land of Oz. It was so colorful and full of magical happiness, perfect for escaping reality.
A cheerful fairyland vibe.
Yes, and Glinda, as a people pleaser, Ariana Grande, portrayed that perfectly. Very lovable, sparkly, and charming.
That fits Glinda so well.
And the wedding scene, wow, it looked like an ideal wedding ceremony. The dress, the decoration, the lighting, even the way they guided the bride to the altar. Honestly, it felt like a guide for how to make a dream wedding come true.
That's a fun takeaway for our listeners who love event planning or weddings.
Yeah.
You also mentioned the audience. What was the cinema experience?
Yes, the cinema was full. My friend and I sat in the front row, front row.
Wow, okay.
And I had to make the chair like a sleeping chair.
Yeah.
So it made everything feel bigger and more immersive. So the characters felt like they were right in front of us.
It must feel like being on stage with them.
Exactly. Even though it is more than 2 hours, I
Wow.
never felt bored. Okay.
What impressed you most? Do you have a balanced review?
Definitely the visuals. Everything looked spectacular, like a huge fairy tale painting in motion. Glinda's dresses alone were so pretty and elegant.
Wow, fashion lovers approved.
Yeah, Elphaba's acting also stood out. She reminded me of Whoopi Goldberg, expressive and powerful with strong stage presence.
And the music?
Well, as someone who loves and plays musical instruments, the musical numbers made me so happy. It felt like watching Broadway, but in a cinema.
Wow, and behind the scenes must be a lot of work, right?
Yes, I kept thinking, how long did it take to build those huge studio sets?
Yeah.
How many hours of rehearsing choreography and singing live on set? Incredible. For me, this is one of the best colossal films ever created.
What message did you take from the film? The themes and the feelings? Let's talk the deeper message in the film.
Definitely. One big message is friendship, especially the friendship between Glinda and Elphaba. Even when circumstances pull them apart, there's a deep understanding beneath.
Yes, and that leads into acceptance. The film shows that being different or misunderstood doesn't mean being wrong, and that real friendship stays strong through everything, even misunderstandings.
Exactly. Elphaba's journey is about owning who she is, and Glinda's is about using her power for something good, not just pleasing others.
Those kinds of messages are so important, especially for our listeners and for anyone learning English and life skills too.
When I walked out the cinema, personally I felt happy and courageous because the film encouraged me to believe in myself and accept others. The vibe of the film lifted my heart.
Okay, let's talk numbers a little bit. Have you seen how the film is expected to perform?
Yes, the predictions for its opening and box office are very strong. As the sequel to a big hit and with all the buzz, many analysts expect it to become one of the highest grossing musical films of the year.
And that adds to its cultural impact. The fact people are talking about it, posting clips, doing musical covers, it shows this franchise is more than just a movie.
Exactly. For me, Wicked series has become a legacy in the world of musical films, one that will be remembered for years. It has that timeless feeling. Future generations will still watch and love it.
A modern classic in the making. So, final question. Should our listeners watch it? Do you recommend our listeners to watch the film?
Yes, watch it while it is still in theaters. The colors, the singing, the friendship, everything is worth experiencing on the big screen.
And it's also great for English learners.
Yeah.
Listening to songs help pronunciation and vocab in a fun way.
One more question after you watch the film. So tell us, are you Team Glinda or Team Elphaba?
Okay, thanks for spending this magical time with us.
Stay kind, stay courageous, and stay tuned.
Okay, Keluarga Gracia, that's about the trending,
Yeah.
which is about the movie Wicked for Good, which still in the cinema.
Yeah,
Yeah,
stay in the
miss.
cinema.
Yeah.
Maybe for another 2 weeks, yeah?
Yeah.
So watch it because it is very, very pretty, Miss Audrey. It's very colorful.
Wow, yeah.
Very colorful. Even the one that I like most was the wedding, the wedding
Okay.
ceremony, because the decoration was very pretty.
Okay.
Even the dress, the wedding dress, and then the way she covered the wedding dress. Oh, well, it's very pretty. I don't want to be a spoiler.
Yeah, okay. So Keluarga Gracia, watch it.
Yeah.
Don't miss it.
Yeah.
Yeah, still in a cinema. Okay. Before we continue, let's hear some songs and we'll be right back. Okay, Keluarga Gracia, back again with us in English Time program. After we talk about our weekend and also about the trending, now we will talk about daily conversation, what to answer or how to answer. Okay, please, Miss Vita.
Okay, so let's learn some cool vocabularies from our review tonight.
Okay.
So here are 6 words or phrases that can help you describe movies.
Okay.
Okay, so number 1 is spectacular. Spectacular means very impressive. Very impressive. So the example sentence, the visuals in Wicked were spectacular.
Okay, number 2, the word is stage presence. Presence, yeah. Stage presence. The meaning is strong energy when performing. For example, in sentence, Elphaba has incredible stage presence.
Yeah. Number 3 is fairy tale. Maybe this is common word, yeah. Fairy tale.
Yeah.
Fairy tale means magical, like a fantasy story. So the example sentence, the setting looks like a fairy tale world.
Okay, number 4, the word is colossal. The meaning is extremely large, grand in scale or size. Okay, for example, in sentence, The Wicked for Good is a colossal film with massive sets and amazing visuals.
Yeah. Number 5 is people pleaser. It means a person who always tries to make others happy, sometimes ignoring their own needs. People pleaser.
Yeah.
The example, being a people pleaser can be exhausting because you cannot satisfy everyone.
Yeah, okay. And the 6th word is reimagining. Reimagining.
Yeah.
Okay. The meaning is a new interpretation or creative version of something familiar. For example, in sentence, Disney often makes reimaginings of classic stories.
Yeah.
Okay.
So there are 6 words and phrases that describe these movies. I hope you understand all the words and phrases. Keluarga Gracia.
Yang paling mungkin yang paling umum fairy tale and people pleaser, I think.
People pleaser, yeah. So don't be a people pleaser.
Yeah. It's hard to be a people pleaser.
Yeah, because you need to satisfy everyone every time.
Yeah, and sometimes we have to just like benar-benar ignoring our own needs.
Iya, ngalah semuanya. Ngalah.
Benar-benar mengorbankan.
Iya, mengorbankan.
Bahkan mengorbankan perasaan.
Iya. I met some people like that.
Yeah.
Sometimes I was also like that. Sometimes. Sometimes, but well, it was in one time I was like that, Miss Audrey. But then some people reminded me not to do like that, and then I made the boundaries not to please people every time.
Yeah. Okay, Keluarga Gracia. It's all about tonight. Before we leave, never stop learning. There is always one more thing to learn. Thank you for joining us. See you next week. God bless you all. Bye.
Bye-bye.